Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to approach selling XRP, specifically concerning Coinbase. It's important to understand that direct selling of XRP is not currently supported on the Coinbase platform. Due to ongoing regulatory considerations, users who wish to sell XRP often need to transfer their holdings to a different cryptocurrency exchange that facilitates its trading. This guide will then cover the general steps for selling other supported digital assets on Coinbase. For other cryptocurrencies supported on Coinbase, the process begins by logging into your account and finding the trade section. From there, you will select the specific digital asset you intend to sell. Always take a moment to review the current market price and understand any associated transaction fees involved before proceeding with your transaction. This ensures you are fully informed about your sale. Next, you will decide on your sale order type. A market order executes immediately at the best available price, while a limit order allows you to set a specific price for your sale. Then, input the exact quantity of cryptocurrency you wish to sell. Before confirming, always double-check all transaction details, including the estimated amount you will receive and any applicable fees, to ensure accuracy. After reviewing everything, confirm your sale to finalize the transaction. The proceeds from your sale will then be deposited into your Coinbase fiat currency wallet, usually within a few moments. From there, you can easily withdraw these funds to a linked bank account or choose another available withdrawal method to complete the process. Remember to verify all details for a smooth transfer.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.